Meaning of equip.
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 Equip. Equip means to provide someone or something with the necessary tools, equipment, or resources to perform a particular task or function. The result of equipping can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, if a soldier is equipped with proper gear and weaponry, they are better prepared to engage in combat. Similarly, if a student is equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills, they are better positioned to succeed in their academic pursuits. Overall, equipping is about ensuring that individuals have what they need to achieve their objectives.